super fun. One of the bars we were at, the bartender said he was watching my stream earlier. Yeah. We didn't end up staying there though, but I was like, really? You watched my stream? You get homesick really quick. Well, I think it's because I've done a lot of big trips this year, but this is my first like content creation focused trip. I think it went well. I think it went well. So is it like taking photos or?
They take photos every 3 seconds.
And then puts it all together?
And I take it, my computer, I process it, and edit it, and I make a 4K video.
Wow.
I think the new version of this camera takes like 8K.
What is 8K?
8K video. It's like double 4K.
What does that even mean? I don't even know what 4K is.
It's like super high quality something.
How do you get better?
But it's like super crazy because you can't find 8K screens.
Yeah.
The most huge is like 6, I think.
Yeah, like your eyes wouldn't, I feel like would your eyes be even able to see the difference?
Yeah, the movie cameras use 12K.
Okay.
So, but it's like a super huge display, so I don't know. Crazy things.
It's getting dark fast. I wonder if this... I don't think it's doing anything. Let's see some of these photos. I'm gonna open this. Photos. Yeah.